So this is a total game changer. Why y'all didn't tell me sooner? That's okay. I'll put you up on the game right after this.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair video. Today I am back with another game changer, and it is this wraparound 26-inch human hair ponytail. It's in a deep Brazilian wave, or curl I should say, a deep Brazilian curl, and it is a total game changer. It'll have you out the door in less than 5 minutes. But before we get started on this ponytail, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, let's jump right on into this ponytail. Alright guys, so for the sake of this video, I will not be putting product in my hair because I am shooting multiple videos and I don't want a bunch of gunk in my hair. So we're just going to use water, and basically all I'm going to do is slick this ponytail back with some water and my trusty dusty brush. You can use gel, you can use whatever you like to slick your ponytail back. Just gonna slick it real good to the back. If you want to use gel, go ahead and use gel. Like I said, I got a lot going on, so I don't really want no gel in my hair right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do me a basic to the back ponytail. It might be a little crooked, but y'all get it. And then I'm just gonna put my hair in a little bun to the back, like such, just like that. And I can smooth it a little bit with some water. All right, y'all ready for the magic to happen? I'm gonna show y'all some magic. All right, so the ponytail came just like this. Not really giving promotion because no one's paying me to do this video, but it came in a little stocking cap just like this. And I've been seeing these a lot. A lot of them are not human. I gotta have human because I need something I can wear every day. This can be colored. This can be, I wouldn't say straightened because it's too curly, but you can get a softer wave that you could straighten, but I wouldn't straighten this. I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz it with a little water. You all can put mousse on it, conditioner, but today I'm just doing a little water. Just to show you guys how easy and like out the door this ponytail is. It's crazy. I love it. So it's got the little comb right here. This is how it looks. It's just got the one comb, and then it wraps around. It's got the Velcro, and then it's got the wraparound hair for you right there. So let's put a little bit more water on the ends. Just to, and when I do, you know, wear it, I probably will go ahead and put some conditioner in there just to give it a little bit more pliability. But then you're just gonna go ahead, take this comb, and right here, not too deep into your head because you don't want it to be sticking in your head. You're gonna take the comb and just basically put it in right where your rubber band is, just like that. Make sure it is secure. You can use a bobby pin or a hair pin. I think I'll put the hair pin on afterwards. So you see how I did that right there. You're just gonna take this part of the Velcro and wrap it around your ponytail part, just like that. And then take this part and go ahead and fasten it as tight as you can to the Velcro part right there. Well, as you see, easy as pie. Without gel on your hair, it is kind of sticking to my hair, but you know, whatever. So I'm going to take a couple of hair pins, just like these hair pins, the open kind, which this doesn't have a ball on it, but whatever. And I'm just going to secure it on both sides. Make sure this goes into your ponytail, not into your head, or it will irritate you all day, and you don't want that. Can I get it in there? Come on, baby. She don't want to get in there. Okay, there you go. No, she still don't want to get in there. Anywho, I gotta get it in there. Let's try it. Put this on this side. Pulling it out. Okay, it's easier on this side. So I went on and put that hairpin in there. Then go ahead and take your hair that comes for you to wrap around. Take it. You can put gel on this if you want to. Spritz, conditioner, whatever you want to give it a shiny, glossier look. But I'm just, for the sake of me just doing this video, I'm just showing you how to wrap it around. So you're just gonna take it and wrap it around such. You kind of fan it out so it'll cover the Velcro. Take it again, wrap it around, make sure it's covering the Velcro. Y'all, I don't know if I'm covering the Velcro or not, but y'all get the message. And take it again, go all the way, keep going until you're satisfied with it. Okay, and then kind of tuck it into there. But I'm going to take 2 more open hairpins. Let me find them, hold on. All right, and I'm just going to secure that. The one side here, in there. And if you're going to be out all day, go ahead and put a little spritz on it. Or whatever you use to hold your ponytails. Good dog it, I'm having a hard time. And I didn't the last time, putting these pins in. So, okay, that one just went right on in, huh? This one don't want to. Okay, so look at that. Out the door in less than 5 minutes. I don't know, it might take a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but you get the gist. You get it. This is a game changer right here. 26 inches, nice little wraparound ponytail. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me sooner, I don't know. But like I said, you can secure it with gel. You can wear it high, you can wear it to the side, you can wear it low like I got it, and you gone, you out the door. So, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Love you guys. Bye.